how to pause all notifications on tweets. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to pause all notifications on tweets. So first thing, you can tap here and you can tap on this icon, and here guys you will find notifications. So here guys you will find the first option, which is pause all, and you can tap on it, and here guys you can click on you won't get push notifications, but you will be able to see your notifications when you open tweets. So here you can choose, and you can go with pause all notifications for 8 hours, for example. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next video.